Armagan Demir is Head of Entertainment and Devices Division at Microsoft Middle East. Armagan, welcome.
Thank you.
Tell us a little bit about Microsoft's Entertainment and Device Division in the Middle East. What are the products you're actually taking to market?
As Entertainment and Devices Division, mainly in Middle East area, we have three categories of products. Number one, I would say the Xbox and the games category, where we sell the Xbox console, the accessories, Xbox games, and also the games for Windows on the PC platform. And the second category is the retail software, mainly like Office software or the Windows Vista software that are sold through the retail channel. And the third category is our hardware products like keyboard, mouse, camera type of hardware peripherals.
So how are you actually looking to engage with the retail channel in this region? What sort of services are you offering them? How are you making sure you interact very closely and meet their needs?
Mainly like we have sales and marketing team that's catered to the retail business. So our division is responsible within the Microsoft organization with the retail channel management. So we have the retail account managers that constantly engage with the purchasing managers of the retail. Then we have channel marketing people in my team that also handles the retail, the store look and feel, the gondolas, the shelving, how the merchandising will be done in the store. In that level of detail they go with the retailers. And also we have a merchandiser team that ensures that we have the right product mix on the shelf. The shelving is right. I mean, they collect reports, they report to the distributor back, and our distributors also work with us and with the retail partners to make sure that we have the right product mix on the shelves.
You've been working with the retailers to increase the sales of Microsoft Office in their outlets. What have you been doing in that particular area to help them and assist them?
Regarding the Office, I mean, this year, especially our new fiscal year starts from July onwards, we will be heavily focusing on Microsoft Office, the finished products, what we call it, the finished product, the retail packs of Microsoft Office, to be executing the retail message through the PC aisles. So we will be looking into the programs of attaching the Microsoft Office with the PC sales. We will be training the retail salespeople on the store floor, on the retail software front, on the Office side, and also in the software aisles. So we will be doing merchandising and promotions, trainings with the retail channels this year.
Did the retailers realize the revenue opportunity that Microsoft Office presents to them?
Frankly, we just started this, and in UAE we have a real good attach rates with a couple of retailers. In UAE it started picking up, and we would like to expand it to the bigger audience, bigger retailer audience in the UAE and in Saudi Arabia. And also we are looking into the markets like Egypt and Kuwait. But the opportunity is really big on the Office side of things. Every sales of an Office product is a good price point. I mean, we are talking about average on $150 to $200 range for an Office product. So if a retailer attaches, say, 10% of their PC sales with the Microsoft Office software, that's a quite big upside for a retail. I mean, altogether it's a new category for a retail.
And is it a good margin opportunity for them as well?
Definitely. Also, I mean, you have to look at it, it's a software at the end. So it is not it doesn't have an RMA issue. The Microsoft globally supports the product. So we have call centers, all around the world. So the consumer does have no issues supporting the product. So it's an relatively easier product compared to other, let's say, hardware products for the retailers. Definitely, it's a great product.
You also have the Microsoft peripherals, the keyboards that you mentioned. Obviously, there are many vendors working in this space. What differentiates Microsoft from the competition in these areas?
There are, of course, multiple things. When you look at the Microsoft hardware, we have a top quality on the product. Not only the quality, but ergonomic design. On the hardware space up to now, we are 26 years now in the hardware business, PC peripheral hardware business. We are one of the inventors of of that industry. And when you look at the innovations in that industry, we up to now there are about 23 innovations on the input devices industry, and Microsoft came up 17 out of 23 innovations. It shows our the amount of investment and the research we do on that level. Also, the quality of the products is, every individual product is tested. It's not like group testing type of thing. And the designs, the ergonomy, the consumer experience, the integration with the other Microsoft software like Windows Vista or Windows Live Messenger, for instance. All of our webcams today, they have single button connection with the Windows Live Messengers. The integration overall user experience is great on the hardware.
Just moving on to the Xbox now. How pleased are you with the success of the Xbox in the region, and how much more potential is there within the region?
The potential is great. Definitely it's big upside for Xbox business. Today globally, when you look at the global numbers from not from the Microsoft side, but from the third-party research companies like MPD Group in US or GfK, globally we have really leadership on the high-definition gaming front. Today, globally, we have sold 19 million consoles sold through the retailers. And the software attach rate is the highest ever in the industry. We have 7.1 software attached to the console. Also on the live front, online gaming front, we are the clear. There's no second to us on the online part of the game. And globally we are very happy. In the region we started 12 months ago. We launched the product 12 months ago in UAE and about 9 months ago in Saudi Arabia. The uptake is big. Of course, we were not in the region for a very long time, so definitely our competitors has a time advantage to us. But the ramp up of business in the region is tremendous, so we are very hopeful. We have very aggressive targets next year, and we are fully confident that we will deliver those numbers. And also, not only our numbers, but also the industry, the gaming industry is in the region is booming up. It's really growing big time. So it's a great, marketplace to be in.
You're attending Digital Consumer Channel this week. What do you think of the structure and format of the event? How useful is it to a vendor such as Microsoft?
Definitely, it's couple of for us there are the reason we attended is couple of reasons. For instance, we had a talk show event, to be able to address around 140 retailers in a effective way, and also we have boardroom presentations that we can address the retailers. We can talk about the opportunities, the upsides. To be able to meet with so many retailers in 2 days time, it's a great investment, because if you want to practically do that, you may be spending 1 month on the road, trying to meet all these people. But I think it's you guys made a great event, and it looks like every year it's growing in terms of attendees and the scale of the event.
Arman, thank you very much for your time.
Thank you for inviting me.
Thank you.
Thank you.